How to get $100 Lyft promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now here you're gonna find the search box, type in Lyft promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Lyft. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 50% off, 60% off, $30 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can copy it, then click on redeem at Lyft. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, book your ride and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're gonna find this section of codes. Over there, type in a code and confirm your ride. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Lyft. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, you can head back. Once you are in this website section, you can also check out this one website, Groupon, as this is also the genuine website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Lyft. So this is how you can easily get up to $100 working promo code for Lyft. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.